Subsidence problems can be visible as uneven floors or misaligned structures, and can be caused virtually by anything, such as unplanned water ingress or design and execution failures during construction. Car retail is among the most competitive industries. That is why the car showroom's ethos is of paramount importance in winning business from consumers. Closing the showroom for even as little as 2 weeks may cost the seller weeks or even months of customer and deal flow. Unfortunately, it is fairly common to see subsidence problems in newly built commercial properties, such as car showrooms. Conventional repair options for subsidence problems include weeks or months of closure and removal of the floor. Geobear can solve the problem 10 times faster with no lost car sales, with 10 years guarantee. The installation is being done by local people in a few days outside store opening hours. Please contact Geobear if you encounter cracks, uneven floors, or misaligned structures in your properties.